Dance to the rhythm, to the beat inside. A melody of courage where I won't hide. Step by step, arise with the light. Bravery and resilience taking flight. In the city streets, under neon glow, I found my groove as I let it go. Life can knock you down like a heavy weight, but in the dance, I found my break. Heart pounding loud and sing with the sound. Facing every challenge, never backing down. The struggles may come, but I refuse to break. With every move I make, I create my fate. This is my melody.